Why is symbolic play important for children's brains? Imagine a child turning a simple cardboard box into a spaceship or pretending a banana is a telephone. These everyday moments are more than just fun. They are key to how young brains grow. When children engage in pretend play, they are doing something called symbolic play. This type of play involves using objects, actions, or ideas to stand for something else. It is a major part of early childhood development and helps children reach important cognitive milestones. During the early years, children start thinking beyond what they see right in front of them. They begin to imagine different scenarios, plan stories, and create new worlds in their minds. This shift from just exploring to imagining is a big step in brain development. It shows that children are developing the ability to think abstractly and understand that one thing can representing another. Symbolic play also helps children build their language skills. When they pretend, they often talk about what they are doing, name objects, and make up conversations. This practice helps expand their vocabulary and improves their ability to form sentences. As they tell stories and describe their pretend worlds, they learn how to communicate more clearly and effectively. Another reason symbolic play is so important is that it encourages problem solving and flexible thinking. When children use one object to representing another, they are holding two ideas in their mind at once. They need to remember what the object really is and what it stands for in their game. This mental juggling helps develop the brain's ability to think creatively and adapt to new situations, skills that are useful in reading, math, and everyday life. Symbolic play also supports executive functions, which are skills that help children plan, focus, remember instructions, and control their impulses. Creating and acting out pretend scenarios requires children to organize their thoughts, follow rules they set, and switch roles smoothly. These activities strengthen the brain networks involved in self-control and attention, helping children become better at managing their behavior. Emotional growth is another benefit of symbolic play. Children often use pretend scenarios to work through feelings, try out different roles, and understand others' perspectives. For example, pretending to be a parent or a teacher allows them to explore what those roles feel like. This helps them develop empathy and emotional awareness, which are important for social skills. As children grow, their pretend play becomes more detailed and complex. Toddlers might start with simple actions like feeding a doll, while preschoolers can create elaborate stories with many characters and plot twists. This progression mirrors their developing thinking skills, like understanding cause and effect, predicting what will happen next, and seeing things from different points of view. From a developmental perspective, observing a child's pretend play can give caregivers clues about their cognitive milestones. Supporting this type of play is simple and effective. Using everyday objects like blankets, boxes, or sticks as props encourages imagination. Giving children time and space to play freely, asking open-ended questions, and showing interest in their stories can boost their cognitive growth. Supporting symbolic play does not require special toys. It is about encouraging children to use their imagination with what they already have. The key is to let children lead, listen to their stories, and join in their pretend worlds. This kind of play is a natural way for children to learn about the world and themselves. It also provides clear signs of their cognitive development, making it a vital part of tracking and supporting their growth. Overall, symbolic play helps children develop language, problem-solving skills, emotional understanding, and flexible thinking, all essential for their future learning and social success.